Hello friends, in today's video I'm gonna be walking through how to remove reels from Facebook feed. So if you are using a updated version of Facebook, then here you will get the reels option on your Facebook feed, but you can't remove the reels option from your Facebook feed. But we can apply a tricks to remove this reels option from Facebook. All you have to need, uninstall your current Facebook app, and we need to install an older version of Facebook. So for that, open your browser and search here older version of Facebook, and now open this first link, and here you'll find older version of Facebook. All you have to need, just download an older version from here. Tap on download, and once you downloaded the app, install the app and log in into your Facebook account, and then you will see the Reels option has gone. If this video helped you, give a thumbs up and please consider subscribe to 5 Minute Solution. Thank you for watching.